Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your video to Padlet for, for the project from Module 2. For you to do that, what you have to do is you go to Module 2, click on it, and then you click on the activity called Module 2 Project. When you click on it, it explains to you the purpose, the knowledge that you're going to acquire, and it explains to you the task. So your task is to create a video to be posted to a Padlet discussion board answering the question, why do you love English? Okay. Once you posted the video, you have to answer to at least 3 other posts in writing. Okay. Then for you to access the Padlet, you click on it here where it says URL to the Padlet. You click there and it will take you to the Padlet. It's important to keep in mind that when you start your recording, to introduce yourself. So if it will be me, I would say my name is Gladys, and the reason that I love English is because it allows me to get to know a new culture and also to speak with other people around the world, as well as get exposed to different kind of knowledge because there are many books that are in English that are not yet in Spanish. Okay, so that would be my reason. So for me to add the video, I just go to this option here where it says plus. I click there. It gives my video. You could write there your title. So why I love English, whatever you wish. And you could write down your name, Gladys. Okay. And then after you've done that, you're going to have the options of 3 points. You click there. And there you click on record or grabar el video. And you click there. It automatically will show yourself and you record your video giving your answer. You click there, and when you're done with your recording, you pause it. And if you like it, you click on reproducir y guardar. If you don't, you can descartar and volver a iniciar or eliminate it and start again and change it to one that you prefer. Once you're done and it's posted, then what you have to do is you have to comment in one of your peers. Here we have 2 options to comment. So for you to add a comment, you just simply click there where it says add a comment or añadir comentario, and you watch the video and then you write down your comments. Okay, and the same here, you watch the video and then you write down your comment based on what she says. Maybe if you agree with it, maybe whatever you want to wish for her. Maybe you could recognize her ability to speak the language, anything. And you can also have the option of clicking on the heart option. It means that you love the video. Okay, so I hope that this video has been useful for you guys and that you enjoy uploading your videos. I look forward to watching them. Thank you.